Hey guys. So in this video, I'm going to walk through making the data table and the chart for the circle graph activity. All right, so I'm going to leave a space for the title at the top. I'm going to start with the headings on row 2 here. So energy source and the quadrillion BTUs. We'll get there. There we go. Now, if you remember, the way to kind of do the column widths is you can highlight the column and right click on it by using the 2 fingers on your trackpad on your Chromebook, and then go to resize column. And then I'm just going to use again the fit to data. Okay. I'm going to do the same thing with the first one. Even though the energy source fits, if you look down at some of your other words in there, like the nuclear electric power, that will not fit with that. So I'm already going to do it to this column just so we have it done. I'm just going to resize it and fit to data. So as soon as we type that in, it will automatically become big enough for that. Okay, so now I'm going to go about typing in the information. Okay, and I will come back to you once we get all of that typed in. Okay, so I just got my first column typed in, and if you look, it actually didn't make it wide enough for the nuclear electric power, so I guess I was wrong. I think if I go back though now and redo it by right-clicking on this, let's see. Yeah, I don't know why it didn't save. I'm going to do fit to data. Maybe the data has to already be in the cells. So now it does it. Now it made it wide enough. Okay. So now I'm going to type in the rest of my numbers here, and I'll come back when those are in. All right. Now I've got all the numbers in. Now I am going to just arrange my chart, make it look better. So I'm going to, across the top here, I'm going to highlight. Okay. And I'm going to merge the cells again, like we've done before. And I'm going to type in U.S. energy consumption in 2009, like that. All right, now just to make it look good, I'm going to highlight everything. I'm going to border around it with this. Makes it look better. And then I'm going to horizontal align and center everything. Again, just to make it look a little better as a data table. So it looks like that. All right, now we're going to put in the chart. So you're going to highlight the 2 column headings and all the numbers and information, not the top one, not the title, but everything else. Okay, then you're going to go to Insert, Chart, and let's see what pops up. Okay, looks good. We've got our pie chart here. Now, on this, we've got each section labeled. Okay, now if you notice, and I don't know, okay, depending on how big or small you make this sometimes, will determine if you can see all of the little numbers and information for each one. Okay, so like this is wind, this one's biomass. I think we're missing this little slice here, like I don't see, that's the solar, and I don't see that labeled anywhere. Okay, so there's some things you can do that I'll show you to help kind of make those show up a little more or a little better. Okay, so it appears that I'm gonna have to play around with it a little bit more to see if I can figure that out. So we're not gonna worry about that on this for now. So when you pull up the chart, it should look something like this. Have the categories labeled on most of them here. The only thing you really need to change is your title. So you can either go to the chart editor, go to customize, or you can just double click up here and change this to the, maybe, we'll get there. There we go. U.S. energy consumption in 2009. So just change your title. You got your data table. Everything looks good there. You're good to go. And you're ready just to upload it. All right. That's it. See you later.